What caused the second AI winter to end, and why are we now finally seeing practical applications of AI in our world? After the second AI winter, many researchers went back to the drawing boards in search of a new path to practical AI. The first two eras of AI were based on the assumption that intelligence could be hard-coded into computers. However, the third era is based on the realization that knowledge can instead be learned from data. We refer to this type of artificial intelligence as data-driven AI, or simply machine learning. There were several advances that got us out of the second AI winter and into the third AI boom. First, we now have much more powerful computers. A desktop computer today is literally hundreds of millions of times more powerful than the best computers in the early 1950s. Second, we now have lots more data. A tremendous amount of low-cost, readily available digital information now exists to train AI models using machine learning. Third, we now have better algorithms for teaching machines with data. Modern machine learning algorithms are easier to train, can learn more complex patterns, and can generalize better to new scenarios. Finally, there's been a shift to a much more disciplined approach to AI. This much more rigorous, evidence-based data science approach has helped keep expectations based in reality rather than hype. As a result, there have been many notable successes in modern data-driven AI. First, in 2005, the Stanford racing team's self-driving car, Stanley, was the first vehicle to complete DARPA's Grand Challenge. Stanley was able to drive itself over 11 kilometers with more than 100 sharp turns through narrow tunnels and a winding mountain pass. Second, in 2011, IBM's Watson competed against the top two former contestants on the TV trivia show Jeopardy! The data-driven AI emerged victorious with a score of over 77,000 compared to the human players who scored 24 and 21,000 respectively. Third, in 2014, Google's DeepMind created AlphaGo, an AI that could beat humans at the board game Go, which is astronomically more complex than chess. By 2017, AlphaGo could beat the top human player in the world, and its successor, AlphaZero, could teach itself to become a superhuman player in under 24 hours. These successes and more have led to a new wave of excitement and hype surrounding modern data-driven AI.